Hello, year 1, year 2, and year 3. Miss Ada is recording one video for all of you because you are going to have basically the same activity for the next week. Yes, the next 2 weeks. It's going to be the same activity for the next 2 weeks. And then we are going to have something new. Well, I know that everybody was wishing that the school would be open. When Miss Ada thought the news would come for the school to be open, the Minister of Education said, no, the schools will be closed, will be kept closed because the virus is not still contained. And I know that everybody got a bit upset. Like Miss Ada got a little upset. I really wanted to be back in school, back with you. But we have to believe God knows what's best and He's protecting everyone, especially in this special period of Ramadan. We need to believe, yes? So we have to carry on, do our best at home, okay? Be good to your mamas and your babas and your brothers and sisters, okay? And do the activities that you are supposed to do, that your teachers are sending, that Miss Ada is sending, okay? So, I was so happy that you loved the jungle typing. Everyone who did it loved the junior typing. It's in the typing club, but something special for the young ones. And I'm sure you did the exercises with your hands, the positioning to typing on the keyboard. Mrs. Keyboard was really, really happy and envy because she wants you to come and type in the computers in the school. But you will do it next when you come back. Yes, inshallah, inshallah. Okay. So, we are going to do again the codes. And in the codes, I have lots of people who have finished. You know, who got certificates already. In year 1 red, Ahmed Busaid and Mital. In 1 white, almost, Mital is in 1 white, yes? Mital and Balkis in 1 white are almost there, just a little bit to finish. In 1 blue, Omar, Sahi, and Fahad and Yahya, just a little bit is missing, just a little bit, but they are to get their certificates. And in 1 green, Sophia, it's almost there, but there are lots of people on the way, so I hope everybody will get a certificate, okay? 2 reds, we have Abdulrahman, Mohammed Sheed, and almost in 2 red, Muhammad, Man, Anmar, Samsi, and Fatma Kindi. In 2 green, Diam, Iram, Suleiman, Omar Hashar, all got certificates. Well done to green. And almost into green, Al-Is and Assad almost got their certificates. In 2 blue, Aya got her certificate. Well done, Aya. And almost there, we have Diala, Faisal, Jinan, Mohammed Sharat, and Mohammed Hinai. Come on, go get your certificates. And in 2 white, we have Jude Q and Yara. They got their certificates. Well done, girls. And almost got the certificate Nuf Shamfari and Rahad and Rula. They are very, very close to get it. Well, in year 3, nobody got their certificates already yet because the course C is quite tricky. So you need really to make an effort. And when you make a mistake, try again, go step by step, watch the videos. It requires more work for year 3 to get the certificate because they have 18 lessons and they are not very easy. But if you keep trying, I'm sure you can do it. Okay? So, Miss Ada sent letters. Let me share the letters with you. For each year group, let me see if I can change here. Uh-oh. Now that I started with showing me, I cannot go back and show everything. Let me see if I can. No. Anyway, so I sent letters with the links, all the links to your parents, the links to codes, the tutorials, like if you don't know, you get stuck in a lesson, you can get the tutorial, and also for the typing club, the junior typing, or jungle typing, they call it as well. So those who finish and got the certificate, go ahead with your typing, keep doing your typing. Or if you want more code, you have to ask your mama or baba to send me a message, and then Miss Ada will sort this out for you. Okay? So have a great week. Ramadan Kareem to all your family, and keep safe. And all the best. Miss Ada, miss you very much, and I love you all with all my heart. Bye bye. Masalama.